Hello, and now we will learn how to say a compliment to a lady in Lithuanian. And in English you are saying you look nice. In Lithuanian you would say gražiai atrodai. So there are two words, gražiai, gražiai, and the second word atrodai, atrodai, gražiai atrodai, gražiai atrodai. You could also say nuostabiai atrodai. In English it is you look gorgeous. Nuostabiai atrodai. Nuostabiai atrodai. The more formal way is gražiai atrodote. Gražiai atrodote. Gražiai atrodote. Or nuostabiai atrodote. Nuostabiai atrodote. So today you have learned how to say a compliment to a lady. Gražiai atrodote. Nuostabiai atrodote. Gražiai atrodai. Nuostabiai atrodai. See you guys.